everyone, welcome to lesson 2 of YCT standard course. Today we are making sentences on the words that we used on our previous lesson, which is lesson 2.1. The first sentence we will use the following keywords. 你叫什么名字? Sentence number 1. 你好，我叫Simangele. 你叫什么名字? This means, hello, my name is Simangele, and what is your name? 你好，我叫Simangele. 你叫什么名字? 你好，我叫Simangele. 你叫什么名字? Sentence number 2. 你好，我叫Emily. This means, hello, my name is Emily. 你好，我叫Emily. 你好，我叫Emily. Now, let's make a short dialogue. 你好，我叫Simangele. 你叫什么名字? 你好，我叫Emily. This is the end of today's lesson. Please remember to like, share, comment, and also to hit the subscribe and notification button. See you next time. Goodbye.